Hello, and welcome to another episode of Ọjị Abịala, an Igbo podcast. My name is Ifunanya, and I'm an Igbo learner just like you. Today's episode is a super duper special episode as it is the last episode of season one, so the season finale. And not only that, but this episode will not just be an audio recording, but also a video. So, being that it's so special, it's only right that we kick off this episode with Uche, the first guest teacher on episode one. Also, for this episode, we'll be changing up the format a little bit, and we'll be starting it by Uche and I conducting a conversation in Igbo that incorporates different things that we've learned throughout all the season episodes, and then just going into review of a few other concepts that have been covered throughout the season. This will be a good way to test what you know and to solidify or further build some of the knowledge that you are gaining from this season. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce or welcome Uche. Uche, no, welcome.
Ndewo Ifunanya kekwanụ.
Ọ dị mma, ọ ghọtakwa gị?
Ahụ dị m. Ke maka ụlọ akwụkwọ?
Ọ dị mma o, gị nwakwanụ, i bidola ọrụ?
Ebidola m ọrụ na-aga ọfụma. Ifunanya ke maka ụmụnne gị?
Ha dịkwa mma.
Ụmụnne ole ka ị nwere?
Anyị dị ise. Enwere m ofu nwanne m nwanyị na ụmụnne nwoke atọ.
Ọ gị tọrọ nwanne gị nwanyị?
Mba, ọ tọrọ m. Ma gị nwakwanụ, ụmụnne ole ka ị nwere?
Enwere m ụmụnne anọ.
Oh. Kedu aha ada unu?
Aha ada anyị bụ Chinonye.
Okay. Olee otu m ga-esi kwu, do they speak Igbo n'Igbo?
Ị ga-ekwu ha ma Igbo asụ.
Okay. So, ha ma Igbo asụ. Ekwuru m ya ọfụma?
Ị kwutere ya ọfụma.
So, afọ ole ka ọkpara unu dị?
Ọkpara anyị dị afọ 33. Gị nwakwanụ, ọkpara unu ọ dị afọ ole?
Ọ dị afọ 24.
Okay. Ifunanya cheregodi, ọ dị ka egwu ahụ m na mbido. Onye ebee ka ị bụ?
Oh, abụ m onye Eboma. Ọ dị n'ime Uguta local government n'ime Imo steeti. Gị nwakwanụ?
Ezigbo oke, ịwụ nwanne m nwanyị.
Oh, yeah.
Abụkwa m onye Imo steeti maọbụ onye obodo Imo, mana abụ m onye Nguru nke nọ na Abombise.
Oh, yeah, Mbise. Now, wow. Mbise nwere mmadụ ọkụ ya?
Mbise nwere ezigbo mmadụ, ọtụtụ mmadụ.
Nice. So that was a dialogue that entailed many phrases we have learned throughout the season in a realistic conversational way. To see the transcript of what everything meant phrase by phrase, you can check it out on episode details on iTunes or description on SoundCloud website. Now, to further wrap up things and review some very important concepts to know going into season 2, as well as to just trying to become more conversational in Igbo, we will review a few other things further.
Okay. Ngwa Ifunanya. So I will say a few vowels, and one of the vowels I say will be in the wrong vowel class. So remember, there are light and heavy vowels, and I'll pronounce a few, and you have to tell me which one is incorrect. Okay, so let's go. Listen closely. E, A, O.
Koyazo Pico.
Okay. I'm a kuyoza.
Oh.
E, A, O.
Ogabu. O.
Maka gịnị?
Maka o bu udaro. and e na a bụ ụda mfe.
Good. Okay. Let me give you another one.
Okay.
E, o, I.
Kwuo ya ọzọ biko.
Gee ntị.
O,
E, o, I.
ọ ga-abụ o maka ọ bụ ụda mfe, and nke ọzọ bụ ụda arọ.
Good. Ị mere ọfụma. Okay, so learning vowels is important in Igbo. Ọ dị mkpa ịmụta vowels maka Igbo vowels nwere harmony, they have harmony. And as a learner who is trying to be conversational, knowing vowel harmony rules will guide you in choosing the correct words to use in a sentence that you're trying to make. So let's put that to the test.
Okay.
In a previous episode, you learned about how vowel harmony even plays a role in selecting the correct pronoun.
Mm-hmm.
So to say I have, using the verb to have, which is inwe, what would you say? Enwerem or anwerem?
Ị ga-akwụ enwerem, so using e na a.
Good. Ị ga-ekwu enwerem. Enwerem, I have. Nice. How about to be fine? If you wanted to say I am fine, using the correct vowel, how would you say it?
Ị ga-akwụ adị m mma, so a, using a.
Okay, good. Ị ga-ekwu. Ị ga-ekwu.
Ị ga-ekwu.
Yeah, ị ga-ekwu adị m mma. Good. Ị mere ọfụma. Enwere m adị m mma. All right, so those are perfect. So to review, the vowels are a, e, I, o, u, o. And so one other topic that was covered this season was the digraphs, also known as double consonants. So let's play a quick game with that. I'll say a word and you tell me what double consonant is being used. Okay? All right. Bo.
It's we.
Okay. Kedu ihe ọ pụtara na Bekee? What does it mean in English? Gịnị bụ kpọọ?
Call.
Good. Okay, very good. Kpọọ means call. Okay, let's make this a bit harder. I'm going to say a phrase from our Igbo Survival Kit episode, and I want you to tell me what double consonant you're hearing in any of the words and what it means. Okay. Aghọtaghị m gị, kwuo ya ọzọ biko.
So the double consonant there is the r and the kwa.
Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, so anywhere we have re and aghọtaghị, it comes up twice, and then kwuo ya ọzọ biko has kwe. Good. You are from Ngwa.
KW.
Ifunanya, gịnị ka aghọtaghị m gị, kwuo ya ọzọ biko pụtara? Gịnị ka ọ bụ?
Na Bekee, ọ pụtara I don't understand you. Say it again, please.
You nwetara ya? All right. So last one. Now this one is a test on how you've gotten pronouncing the word Igbo. I know you posted about how the pronunciation and spelling of our culture and our people is not Igbo, I-B-O. Igbo is the way it's spelled and pronounced. But let me now hear you try to pronounce it correctly.
Okay. So I've been working on this GB. Whew, this is nerve-wracking. Okay. Igbo. Mm-hmm. Ekutremia.
Igbalere, yes, ikutere ya. Igbo. Igbo. Igbo.
Igbo. No, you sure?
Yeah, ikutere ya ọfụma. Igbo. If you keep practicing, you keep getting better, but ikutere ya ọfụma. We say Igbo, asụsụ Igbo, ndị Igbo, omenala Igbo. Okay?
Igbo. I felt that one. So this concludes our season finale. I would like to first thank you, Uche, for all your continued support so far, and I'm extremely grateful.
You're welcome, Esobula.
And I would also like to thank all the other guest teachers who have been incredibly helpful as well. And I would like to remind listeners that this is just the beginning. This season was aimed at trying to teach the most practical phrases to get started with in speaking Igbo, as well as tools for proper pronunciation. But again, this is definitely just the beginning. I would remind listeners to continue to listen to these episodes repeatedly just to help things stick and really fine-tune some understanding. But as always, as we end every show, where one thing stands, another thing stands right beside it. And we are standing right beside our Igbo language and culture, saying that it is going nowhere. It is here to stay. Till next time, Kamesia.
Bye, Funaya, Kamesia.
Oh.